Unboxing the doggy bag phrase, not just for pets. Hello, dear learners and language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unpack a phrase that might have you thinking of pets at first, but it's actually a staple in dining lingo. We're talking about the doggy bag, a term that's as quirky as it is practical. So, let's dive in and find out what this phrase means, where it comes from, and how to use it correctly in English conversation. The term, doggy bag, refers to a container that restaurants provide to pack up uneaten food to take home. Now, despite the name, it's not just for dogs. It's a way for diners to bring home leftover food that they couldn't finish during their meal. This is a common practice in many countries, especially in the United States, where portion sizes can be quite generous. How did this phrase come about? Interestingly, the concept of the doggy bag started during World War II. Food was scarce, and wasting it was frowned upon. Diners began asking for leftovers to be packed up so they could feed them to their pets at home. Over time, it became acceptable for people to ask for a doggy bag for the purpose of eating the leftovers themselves later. Asking for a doggy bag is a perfectly polite and reasonable request. If you find yourself in a situation where you can't finish your meal, simply catch the attention of your server and say, "Could I please get this to go?" Or, "May I have a doggy bag for the leftovers?" It's that simple. While widely accepted in American dining culture, the doggy bag practice varies globally. In some cultures, it might be less common to ask for leftovers. However, with growing awareness about food waste, many countries are becoming more open to this concept. It's always a good idea to be mindful of local dining etiquette wherever you are. And there you have it, a complete breakdown of the term, doggy bag. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you'll feel more comfortable using this phrase when you dine out. Remember, it's not just good vocabulary. It's also a practical way to reduce food waste. Happy dining, and until next time, keep learning and exploring the nuances of the English language.